Yes, there is a visible danger there are, because maybe when you sleep, mabalian kag bukog, mabangga imong ulo, nya, daghan ka siya visible danger, and kailangan siya, but nga nog action kung naay wet floor, kung naay wet nga floor kay, para ma-prevent ang mga injuries. Is the area safe to approach? Is the area safe to approach? The area is not safe to approach because we need to, kailangan nato mulikay ana nga area kay kabalo naman ta nga basa nga basa ang floor, kailangan nato mulikay ana kay delikado na. The area is safe to approach. No, the area is not safe to approach. Number 2, listen. Is anyone calling for help? Yeah, when we are in danger, we are always calling for help. And that's why first aid is important, so that we know what are we going to do when somebody calls for help. Are there sounds that suggest danger? Yes, like there are signs like SOS. Nakita na ako na siya sa king ko nga ang meaning daw ano kay help. And then there are signs or sound like joy kag tabang nga na good, and kanang mga reaction sad nila nga reaction niya. Ana, kailangan maging emotional intelligence ka. Ay. And then number 3, is the injured person speaking? Is the injured person speaking? Yes, the injured person can speak so that we know dapit ang sakit, unsa yang gibati, and para kabalo sad ta unsaon nato pagtabang, unsa nga pamagi atong matabang para sa iyaha. Kailangan niya mag-speak. 3, think. What could happen if I rush in? What will happen if you rush in? Kung magdali-dali ka, apil pud ka ma-slide. So, ang tama nga buhaton, kuan, is kailangan yun nimo una imong self, like tanawon kung dapit ang slippery nga wet floor, tanawon sa nimo daan, tapos like mapan nimo, but nga nimo do not, the floor is wet nga caution good. Dili dapat ta magdali-dali. Kay kung magdali-dali ta, apil na pud ta ma-slide. So dili na siya. Di dapat ta mag-rush kay unsaon na lang kung gusto ta mo tabang unya, na-slide day ka apil, wala na. Who else might be harmed? So who else might be harmed? It could be anyone, anybody. Kung wala mo nakakita sa basa nga floor, ma-slide jud mo. Pero kung common sense na lang nga nakita mo wet nga floor, likay na lang mo kay kabalo naman mo nga maligyas man jud mo ana, dako na mo pag tinanga diha. Pero kung you're in a rush, kailangan safety first japon, balag nagdali-dali na ka diha. Number 3, what is the safetiest first action? So the safetiest first action when you help a learner who slipped is that yourself first. You have to stay calm, focus, and be confident. And you must know what you are going to do, and help the person nga makatindog. Pangutanon sa gibati man nawag dayon. Ay, first aider man dita. Mao na gani na. Act safe. Demonstrate the safe first action. Char. Situation. Example. Hazard, wet floor, possible harm, sleeping injury, people at risk, injured learner, nearby student, people, injured learner, warn, warn others, safe, warn others, call teacher or adult, keep area clear, keep the area clear. Oy, sudah may magbugo. Ay, oh, that should be me, holding your hand. That should be me, making you laugh. That should be me. This is so sad. Should be me. That should be me. Hindi ko ba? Just wanted to stalk myself. Kaya ko mag-online